Introducing the Mourning Cloak Butterfly. This is a brush-footed butterfly in the Nymphalidae family. The mourning cloak's diet includes tree sap, rotting fruits, and dead animals, among other things. It rarely visits flowers, although you might see it from time to time. Look at this one guy, he was very curious about me. These forest butterflies are also territorial, so you will see them check you out from time to time if you're in their realm. More often than not, if you scare this butterfly from where they're perched, they will most likely just make a big round circle to come back to that same area that you saw them originally. So if you just be patient and wait, they might come close to you and you get to see the pretty colors close up like this. When the butterfly closes its wings halfway like this, it's in ready mode, so if you startle it, it can quickly fly off with no problems. Just look at those beautiful colors inside as soon as the butterfly opens its wings. You've got the beautiful maroon deep base color in the middle, the little bars at the top to distract birds or any other predators, and the blue dots that are lining the edges of the pale yellow borders around the wings. Just a beautiful all-around butterfly. Alright, so let's check out the outside of the wings of this butterfly. The bark-like outside is a really great camouflage that God designed, and it serves this animal well because it hides it from predators. Predators just look at it and go, well, you look like you're part of the tree. So anyway, it's just beautiful just looking at the details on the wings on the outside that make it look like bark. See if you can find one of these guys next time you go hiking in the woods. It's a real adventure, and it's a challenge to try to find them too sometimes. Here we have two mourning cloaks that have found each other, and apparently it looks like they're in a little courtship dance on the top of a mountain. So you never know where you'll find these guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates on wild edible plants and native species and all kinds of other cool stuff.